Balancing Energy Meditation. Welcome to this meditation focused on balancing your energy. In our busy lives, it's easy to feel our energy becoming scattered or drained. And this practice will help you restore equilibrium in your body and mind, leaving you feeling centered and refreshed. Find your comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or you can lower your gaze. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose, holding it for a moment, and then exhale fully through your mouth. You could take 2 more breaths like that. In through the nose, holding it for a moment, and then exhaling fully through the mouth. And 1 more. Allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feeling the support beneath you, whether it's a chair, a cushion, or the ground. Allow your body to settle into this moment. And with each breath, invite a sense of calm into your being. Bring your attention to your feet and feel them firmly connected to the ground, as if roots are extending down into the earth. These roots help you feel stable and grounded, drawing in that steady, nurturing energy of the earth. And now slowly bring your awareness upward through your legs. Into your torso. And as we keep moving through the body, just imagine this energy flowing upward, spreading warmth and balance throughout your body. So then from the torso into the chest, and continue this upward scan, moving into the chest, into the shoulders, letting each breath feel this grounding energy, harmonizing every part of you. And so from the shoulders into the arms, into the neck, and head. And shifting the focus now to the breath. Imagine each inhale bringing in fresh, calming energy, and each exhale releasing any tension, stress, or imbalance. And if you like, you can visualize a soft glowing light in the center of your chest, there in your heart center. Maybe you feel it as light, maybe you feel it as warmth. And this light represents balance and harmony. And so with each breath, see this light, this warmth growing brighter, spreading throughout your body, restoring equilibrium to your mind and spirit. Feel this light creating a perfect balance between activity and rest, strength and softness, giving and receiving. Allow yourself to rest in this harmonious state. As the meditation comes to a close, take a moment to acknowledge the balance you've cultivated. Know that this sense of harmony is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to gently bring movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, you can softly open your eyes. And carry this feeling of balance and centeredness with you into your day.